As indicated by our extremely current spell kind of symbolic cost forecast, the worth of essentially spell token will expanded by 247.65%, coming to $0.00179 by end of 2025. All specialized markers explicitly show that the by and large current feeling is negative, while the apprehension and veracity file for the most part is perusing 8.53, and that implies in every practical sense intense trepidation. Our spell kind of symbolic estimate, selling sort of spell especially token right now incredibly is as dangerous. On June 24, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while most certainly different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall negative opinion among spell truly token cost expectations. See the specific spell token cost forecast underneath. You will realize how kind of much spell token is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the sort of most recent 30 days, spell token has diminished by 13.23% in an essentially significant manner. Because of this, we can sort of get with the exception of a really slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of June, the worth of for the most part spell token expanded by 116.05% and came to approach around $0.00106. Presently, all markers are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and avarice record shows 8.53 especially intense feelings of dread. As indicated by our estimate, this isn't the perfect opportunity to sell spell token for the most part. As of now, spell genuinely token in every way that really matters is exchanging beneath the 200 in every way that really matters, straightforward moving normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a spell token selling most certainly signal. The cost of spell token is right now running beneath the 50-day straightforward moving certainly normal SMA, and it certainly shows a sell signal. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.000670 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, spell token S transient 50-day SMA certainly shows a $0.000548. The overall strength file, RSI, energy oscillator in every practical sense, is a well-known marker that signals whether a digital currency is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70 in a significant way. RSI explicitly is at present at or civilu incredibly. This shows that the spell market is in an impartial position. Spell commonly token, spell value expectation 2023, in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023. Spell token came to $0.000877 when it dipped under $0.000525. Interestingly, since January 2021, as per the financial backers and market trades, essentially spell token for the most part is headed to passing the $0.00108 mark before the current year's over, which by and large is genuinely critical. Before $0.00108, it might break its characteristic of $0.0751 and reach, as indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, spell truly token will in every practical sense break its past all-time high of $0.0751 and hold somewhere in the range of $0.000971 and $0.00108 soon. At this point, on 24 June 2023, especially spell token is exchanging at $0.000493, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 7.2 M, and it basically makes number 354 cash in the entire crypto world, which is genuinely critical. Spell fundamentally token value expectation 2024. There sort of is plausible that spell token can basically get through the $0.00125 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The essentially the least spell token cost will be between $0.0006 to $0.0025, and the most probable spell token cost will be consistent at around $0.00124. toward the finish of 2024. Despite basically Spell token's wild swings in esteem, and the discussion encompassing its ecologically hostile energy utilization, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that in a real sense, Spell token will basically reach $0.00125 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Incredibly, Spell token value forecasts 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that Spell will begin the year at $0.00144 and exchange around $0.00179. As indicated by their forecasts, this would be incredibly high contrasted with a year ago. This basically is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin, which is genuinely critical. Spell token value expectation 2026. There sort of is a decent opportunity that Spell token 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not especially arrive at its normal most extreme $0.00222 level in an unobtrusive manner. Spell token is generally anticipated to sort of arrive at an untouched kind of high of $0.00211 or $0.00222 in 2026. And it very well may be the extended period of sort of Spell in every practical sense token, in an especially enormous manner. Spell token value forecast 2027. Spell genuinely token value expectation, or Spell, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it has the really potential to accomplish new highs. As far as sticker costs and market cap, Spell token's cost essentially is supposed to outperform $0.00222 in 2027. It in every practical sense has been anticipated that Spell token will arrive at the greatest cost of $0.00222, and the base cost is supposed to in every way that really matters, be around $0.00190 in the truly next a long time from 2027. Spell token gauge 2028. Market examiners and specialists say that Spell essentially token value expectation and specialized examination. Spell token is supposed to cross a value level of $0.00266 in 2028. In the interim, Spell token essentially is supposed to generally arrive at a truly least cost of $0.00234 this year. In opposition to prevalent thinking, the extremely greatest cost might reach $0.00269, which especially is genuinely critical. Spell exceptionally token. Spell value forecast 2029.